8 a.m. on a Wednesday in June after the school year had ended. It was so great to show up and see a room full of smiling faces of teachers that were excited to be there.
You get to use the bathroom anytime you want today. Don't have to wait.
Things were on time, they were moving, it was organized.
It felt like a buzz with excitement.
They're from a diversity of types of schools. Public schools, private schools, charter schools.
I had heard that some of the CEEE offerings were localized and that there were pieces that I could add to make something that wasn't going to fatigue students as much.
So we want teachers to be doing the activities and engaged in the learning that they're going to be bringing back to their classrooms.
I really liked the games, and so I wanted to then also incorporate some of those games as a way to think about what are our next steps, and then also how can we have fun learning about a topic that is sometimes kind of tough.
My favorite part was organizing the student panel.
It's like on my mind that it's here, it's now, and it's where I live.
For us, it was a new experience to have the students be up on the stage and the students telling us what was powerful and what they needed from educators. My hope was to provide access to place-based curriculum that uses authentic data. I think a highlight for everyone was getting to go visit the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's lab.
For teachers to see a wildfire test bed. The teachers also got to meet some climatologists and ask lots of questions.
One of those highlights was getting to see a Science on a Sphere show. Nothing compares to actually being in a room full of teachers and testing out our curriculum, and developing these long-term relationships with teachers is, to me, what it's all about.
I really just want to support teachers and have them feel like they're part of a community.
We were honored as professionals, our time was honored.
The people that run the conference really care about helping teachers have materials to teach things about resiliency and climate education.
Somebody asked me, when is it going to happen next year? And is it going to get bigger? And I thought, oh yeah, let's keep doing it.